Hey guys, Techman here, also known as Matthew Rivera, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Logic keyboard that I got, and there's a very weird story behind this keyboard, and it's for Pro Tools. So, let's get started. I'm gonna teach you how to... Hey guys, so as I said before, I'm going to be unboxing a Logic keyboard that is made for Pro Tools. And as you can see, this looks very similar to a Mac keyboard. And I'm making this video because when I ordered this on Amazon, I didn't find any reviews on this whatsoever, nor videos. And why I got this keyboard specifically is because of this. Yes, I actually turned to the dark side and I got an iMac. And it's pretty good. It's a mid-2011. Here is the specs right here. And it's a very decent iMac to do the job for Pro Tools. And I got this keyboard because of Pro Tools. And the story behind this keyboard is because I actually had a Mac keyboard that belonged to the computer and it just wasn't working correctly, typing in keys wrong and all that, and I just winded up spending $134 without shipping, and it's well worth it, honestly. And by me using it and just typing on it, it feels exactly like a Mac keyboard, and I'm just very glad I got this because of Pro Tools. This semester in college, I'm in a Pro Tools class, and I have to know the shortcuts and learn it, so that's why I got this keyboard, to learn the shortcuts, and then if I learn the shortcuts, I can always refer to the keyboard to like, oh, I have to do this, I have to nudge that, and all this other stuff. And I also use this keyboard for recording my sister singing, and I use Pro Tools along with the keyboard. And if you haven't checked my sister out, the link will be in the description box below for her channel. Check out her singing. It's a little innocent plug. With the iMac, I actually got the iMac off of Facebook Marketplace, and it was a total of $420, and that's a very good deal. I seen worse computers and low everything specs, and it was just so low in quality, in specs, and it was like 5 to 1,000 plus. And the best part about this computer is I got it from a local recording studio, and it served the purpose of using Pro Tools, and that's why I was drawn more to this computer, because it was in an environment for audio recording. Alrighty, so enough of me talking. Let's just jump right into this awesome Mac keyboard that is used for Pro Tools. Man, don't you love the smell of a new product? It's such a refreshing smell. Alrighty, this is what the keyboard looks like, and wow, it looks really good. But let me put this to the side and see what's inside this box. So you are greeted with a few booklets. Congratulations on your new purchase. And I guess this is just talking about the keyboard, the products, and how it was made, I guess. Pretty nice to have. And these are all the programs that Logic Keyboard uses, and they create these keyboards using these. And of course I have Pro Tools, the Pro Tools keyboard. That's very nice to have, just to let you know that they actually have more keyboards than just Pro Tools. There's the back of the booklet. Pretty nice. Alrighty. Okay, so basically this page is telling you if you have any functions like F1, F2, the volume up, down buttons, and if that's interfering with your work, you can disable them, I guess, and use the short keys. That's really nice. That's really, really cool. Oh, nice. They actually included a wet cloth antibacterial formula. That's very nice. That's very nice for them to have there. And this is also very nice here. I like that. They include an instruction guide to clean your keyboard and how to. That's very, very nice of them to do that, because yes, a lot of these keyboards do have a lot of germs on them and all that, and if other people use them, like in public places, it's like a flu aching to be arising around the corner. So that's very good for them to include that. Alrighty, anything in the box? Nope, I guess not. Okay, so this is the keyboard. Wow, it's pretty cool looking. It's very colorful. Now, as I said before earlier in the video, I have a similar keyboard that is like this, but it's without all the logos. And what I realized is that the new one is 2015 copyrighted, but the old one is 2007 copyrighted. So yeah, there's a very big age difference between these two. So basically this keyboard is a Mac keyboard, but what LogicKeyboard did is that they just added the graphics for Pro Tools or whatever type of software you're going to use, and they just placed it over the keys. And it's very nice, and it has the same touch, same feeling, everything about it. It's just different overall. So let's just take this plastic off. I'm just going to keep this bottom section. It's not going to really do much of anything. And yeah, that is the keyboard. This thing feels amazing. It's about the same weight, same size, everything from the original. And the weird thing is that these keys with the graphics on it, it feels the exact same way as the ones without. That's really, really, really cool. So let's just go over what we got. So working from left and right, we have the cleaning wipe, shortcut paper, the cleaning instructions, and the info booklet. And then we have the keyboard itself. Overall, this keyboard is absolutely amazing. I love how detailed it is to every single logo and shortcut key. And it's just worth $134. Now, of course, my tech reviews won't be completed without a cinematic sequence of this amazing keyboard. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. This keyboard is absolutely awesome and it's better than the original Mac keyboard. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? You should. If you subscribe, there is a notification bell, and when you press that, you'll get notified whenever I upload a video, and that's really cool. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and this is the Techman signing off. See you later guys.